There was no follow-up from Fianna Fáil headquarters after Jim Gavin told them he had no recollection of an issue with a former tenant. That's according to the long-awaited review into the party's botched handling of the presidential campaign. The report, which landed an hour before the parliamentary party meeting on Tuesday evening, said Mr Gavin was asked on 2 occasions about an issue with a former tenant. Both times, Mr Gavin said he had no recollection or was unaware of any such issues. The report also indicates that nothing further was done about these queries. The total cost of the botched campaign is expected to cost the party between €350,000 and €400,000. Jim Gavin pulled out of the presidential election after Taoiseach Micheál Martin told him the party couldn't support him anymore. The day after it emerged in the Irish Independent that Mr Gavin owed €3,300 to the former tenant in overpaid rent, a crisis meeting between Mr Martin, Mr Gavin and Deputy Leader Jack Chambers was held. During that meeting, Mr Martin and Mr Chambers advised Mr Gavin that they were not in a position to recommend to the parliamentary party that they continue to support Mr Gavin, and that continuing with the campaign would lead to 10 very difficult days. Later that evening, Mr Gavin withdrew from the race. The review also outlines in chronological order the selection process the party undertook. With the review now in the hands of the Fianna Fáil party, next comes the fallout and whether the details will impact Micheál Martin and his leadership.